This is our farm, by the way. This is the main house. My father expanded it with my grandfather maybe 50 years ago. Here is Willy. A little bit camera shot. This is the cow house and barn for hay and such. This is old car garage, but nowadays it's mostly for storage, and then the horse used to live here. Then there is another barn for machines and such. Some sand. Then here is garden. There are some apple trees as well. Some more garden. Tractor. This kind of wind contraption that scares the birds away. Some big birch trees and also pine tree. And this is like a cabin for sleeping. Sometimes I sleep here. And this is Willy's house. And this is barbecue area. Beautiful place.